Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Buffer easy tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the Buffer website at buffer.com. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a sign up form. Choose to sign up with your email address or through a social media account. If you select email, enter your email address and create a strong password. After filling out the form, click on the Get Started button. You may need to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Buffer. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Buffer website. Log in using your email and password, or your chosen social media account. After logging in, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Enter your name and any other required information. Next, connect your social media accounts to Buffer. You can add platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your accounts. Once connected, you can start creating and scheduling posts. Explore the Buffer dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. You are now ready to use Buffer to manage your social media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.